Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rin. As we all know, the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale has officially begun and they are running some crazy discounts and great deals. So if you have something waiting in your wish list, this is the right time to add into your cart. So I am today going to share my top picks and recommendations. Majorly all the products are belonging to the summer season that we are currently in. There is body care, hair care and skin care and a few makeup items here and there. So without any further delay, let's quickly begin to see what we can pick on this Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. The first product is a face wash from Pond's. It is their Hydra Miracle Gentle face wash. The name is absolutely correct because it is so gentle, soothing and calming on your face. Perfect for a hot summer day and if you have very oily or say combination to normal skin. It is non-stripping, it does not make your skin feel dry. Absolutely perfect for daily use during the summer season. Next, I have a body wash / shower gel from Nivea in the variant Water Lily and Oil. And oh my god, this smells divine. Okay, if you love fresh and floral scents for your shower gels, you're absolutely going to love this variant. It has a gentle small bead and particles inside it which dissolve into your skin when you start massaging or rubbing it. It is not at all harsh. I mean those particles, it's very gentle, it lathers up very nicely, cleans your skin throughout without making it dry again. So if you want to feel instantly refreshed and you want your skin to remain smooth, do check out this variant from Nivea. It's time to apply a body lotion. My recommendation is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Serum in Lotion. This went viral for all the right reasons. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin C, and this smells also absolutely divine. It just instantly melts into your skin when you apply. It's buttery smooth, the fragrance is divine, the texture feels water-based, gel-like, so no need to worry. Even if you apply it during the most hot and humid days, you are not going to feel sticky. This is not going to increase your sweat. It is just going to give you the perfect and the balanced amount of hydration to your body without making it feel sticky and making you smell amazing. Next, I have a bunch of roll-ons. First, let me talk about this one, which is from Rexona. I have earlier used their green bottle, which I absolutely love. So I thought of picking up a new one, which is in the variant Shower Fresh. And this is currently under rupees 100, I guess, 50% off. And oh my god, the fragrance is to die for. If you love refreshing scents which make you feel you have just walked out of the shower feeling all squeaky clean and fresh, this is the scent to go for. You can also try their green packaging, which I was talking about. That also smells extremely refreshing and citrusy. The underarm region is a very sensitive area and this one does not irritate at all. It will not sting even if you have freshly shaved. You can use it daily right after the shower or whenever you feel you need to reapply. It says that it can protect odor for 72 hours, which is a little bit exaggeration. It completely depends on your body composition and how much you sweat, but I can vouch that it will last you all day long. So make sure you give this one a try or the green packaging one. One more deodorant that I am absolutely loving is from Earth Rhythm. This is their Daily Dew Hydra Deo Underarm Roll-On. I have got two. This is how much I love it. I absolutely love the funky color packaging. It speaks summer to me. Have you guys smelled synthol back in the days when we used to apply the synthol soap bar, like the green bar? Remember how it smelled? This exactly smells like so. It is also not at all irritating on your underarms, nor does it sting you if you have freshly shaved. This says again that this is going to last for 72 hours, which is again an exaggeration, but it will last all day long. There is another variant in this range which has a pink packaging, but I would suggest for the current summer season, do give this particular variant a try. Next, I have a perfume / body mist recommendation. It is from Plum, their Body Lovin' range. I have their EDP or Kid You Not variant. I think this is the perfect balance of fresh, fruity, floral scent. It is a mixture of all the three. Just the right amount of relaxed and refreshing calm vibes it is going to provide. It also feels like you are on a beach seaside vacation. This is the whole vibe of this. You can pick the full size one or the smaller one for travel purpose like I have. Next, I have a body mist from the Body Shop. It is in the variant Moringa. I have also used the same shower gel, and the both of them combined together, like the Moringa shower gel and the body mist, is a match made in heaven. Now, this is not a fresh or a citrusy scent. This is a straight up floral scent, which is very calming, very elegant, very ladylike, can be worn in the daytime during the summers. It is a very subtle but a very classy kind of fragrance, and this is very long lasting. It is going to linger on to your skin and especially to your clothes if you have applied for a very long time. The floral notes are not at all very overpowering. You can also check out their British Rose variant, that is also amazing, but this one is my current favorite. If you want to start using any product from the Body Shop and you are confused about the scent, do start from this Moringa variant. Next, I have a bunch of hair care items, and I just realized all of them are from L'Oreal apart from one. So let me start with that. I have this Streaks Moisture Boost Spray for hair. This is particularly meant for dry and frizzy hair. You can apply it fresh after you have shampooed your hair, or throughout the day whenever you want. Whenever you feel that it is feeling a little bit frizzy, just spray it directly onto your hair and then you can comb it and it will do its magic. The frizz will be gone. It provides moisture and protection to the hair. It keeps the hair well hydrated, just perfect if you have dry and frizzy hair. All my next picks are from L'Oreal. Let me talk about them one by one, starting with this range. It is the L'Oreal Fall Resist Hair Fall Controlling range. I have their booster serum and I have their shampoo as well. I have not started using any of these because I'm currently using something else. Once I use it, I plan on doing like a full-on review. As far as I have researched, this helps if you have thin hair and if you want to control your hair fall. It's a very expensive range, so I think this is the perfect time to grab it because they are running great offers on this. Moving on to the next shampoo recommendation, it is the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture Shampoo. This went viral. It is one of those shampoos which will be perfect if you have a very sweaty scalp and you feel that you might need to shampoo your hair daily or maybe every alternative day, and you are scared that daily shampooing will just rip off your scalp. This is something you can try in that scenario. It just gently purifies your scalp without making it dry. If you live in a very hot and humid climate and you tend to sweat a lot and your scalp might feel itchy after a whole day, this is something you can try out. This will just get rid of all the excess oil and dirt without stripping your scalp of its natural moisture. Next, I have another hair growth serum from L'Oreal. This is the Serioxyl Advanced Hair Growth Serum. This is again a very expensive product, so this is the perfect time to pick it up. This is just for 30 ml and I think retails for 1,000 rupees. This promises that it will help in 1,000+ hair growth in just 6 weeks because it stimulates all the dormant hair from the roots. It also helps in thickening your hair fiber, but of course you have to be diligently using it and be consistent. It comes in a glass bottle like so. You get a dropper applicator, very easy to use. Just apply it directly to your scalp and massage it and leave it overnight. You can use it every day during the night or every alternative day as your heart desires. Next, I have a hair mask from L'Oreal. This is their Absolute Repair Professional Hair Mask. The best part about using this one is that you just have to keep it for 1 minute. You can rinse your hair after that and it will give you salon-like finish. Generally, with the hair masks, we have to keep it for 15 minutes. It really helps to make your hair very soft and smooth. And I think especially if you have, dry and rough hair lengths, it is going to tame the frizz. It is going to make it silky, soft, super smooth. It adds a beautiful shine to your hair as well. This is pretty expensive, so this is the perfect time to grab it. We have reached to the last category of this video, which is going to be makeup, and surprisingly I have all eye products. Let me start with this one. This is the viral Swiss Beauty Jellyverse Glow Stick. It is viral for all the right reasons. I have mine in the shade Twilight Beam. If you are a beginner with eyeshadow, just buy this stick and see how it is going to, amp up your eyeshadow game. Just apply it directly on your lids. You don't need to wait. It is just going to self-set. Look at that iridescent shift of colors. You do not need to use a brush, just apply it directly, use your fingers to blend or do not use your fingers to blend. So affordable. It has a lot of other color options as well. Do pick what you like. I know a lot of you love colored kajals but find it difficult to pick the correct one. So here is my recommendation. This is from Parul Garg. It is their Bold Matte Define Kajal. I have done a full review on this. Do check out. This is in the shade Mayur. It's a beautiful royal blue kind of color. Just see what a beautiful shade. It is very creamy, it glides like butter, and the shade will suit really all type of brown Indian skin tones. It is just going to, enhance your eye look in such a beautiful way. I'm also wearing this in my inner corners today. It sets very quickly. It is smudge proof. It does not transfer. It does not bleed. It will last all day long. It is also available in a lot of other colors. So if you are looking for an affordable colored kajal, do check out this range from Parul Garg. Next, I have a brow pencil from Swiss Beauty. It is their Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. First of all, a moment for its packaging, because this feels and looks so luxurious. Even if when you hold it in your hand, you will understand that this actually feels very premium. So it has the pencil on one side and on the other side you have the brush. So let me quickly show you how efficient this one is. First, using the brush side, I am gently going to brush my eyebrows. In this portion, some of my brow hair is missing. So I'm going to take the pencil side of it now and just simply draw easy strokes and cover this gap. And in a minute, you will be able to understand that it gives the most natural finish. So I'm just going to draw easy, simple lines and blend it out like so. And this will look very natural. Just see the difference in a matter of seconds. This one looks so put together, polished, yet natural in comparison to this one. So mine is in the shade 04 Grey Black. So if the product is very creamy, it is very easy to make a mistake. So it has the right amount of waxy texture. So if you're a beginner, your application will not be messed up. You can pick this shade if you are somewhere near my complexion, or any other shade available in this range. And the last product recommendation for today's video is a mascara from Estee Beauty. It is their 929 All Eyes on You Voluminizing Waterproof Mascara. This is what I am wearing on my eyelids today. It is my current favorite because it is a tubing mascara. The removal is so easy and so gentle on the eyes that I have absolutely fallen in love with it, and I could not believe that it is so affordable, because outside India only the high-end brands are doing good tubing mascaras, and I'm so happy India has Estee Beauty. So this will add the perfect amount of volume to your lashes and the perfect amount of length. And for removal, you just have to take water and gently massage your eyelashes and it will just bleed off. Your eyelashes have no fear of falling and no fear of irritating. Perfect if you wear makeup on a daily basis and want something gentle for your eyelashes that is very easy to remove and quite long lasting and provides the right amount of volume to your lashes as well. So those were all my picks and recommendations for the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. I hope you find something useful and helpful for yourself from all my today's pick. Do check out my description box because I'm going to link all of them. I'm also going to mention all current discounts that Nykaa is running for this sale. If you have any other brand and product in mind, you can check out exactly what discount they are giving below in my description box. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. You can follow me on Insta as well. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.